Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the epic battle that happens in every household. Yes, I'm talking about the Sunday debate between husband and wife. One wants rest and the other never ending to do list. And guess what? I'm playing both the roles, the husband and the wife. So grab your popcorn, sit back and enjoy this fun ride with me. Let's go. Sunday, my favorite day. A sacred day, a day meant for rest, TV, snacks, and absolutely no work. I love Sundays. Good morning, sleepyhead. I hope you're well rested because we have a long list of things to do today. Wait, we? Who we? I already made plans with the couch, TV, and myself. Cancel them today. Operation cleaning begins. First task, wardrobe cleaning. Second task, balcony scrubbing. And third, whoa, what is it? Oh my god, is this a home or a military boot camp? So here's the plan. After cleaning the wardrobe, we'll go to the market. And after that, we'll visit Reenu, my cousin. And before dinner, we'll fix that noisy fan. Got it? Wow, that sounds exhausting. Oh, come on. You always say Sundays for new experiences. I meant watching new movies, not meeting new bacteria in the bathroom tiles. Hello? Yes, boss. Emergency meeting today? Yes, I'll be there in an hour. Nice acting, but your phone is in my hand. That was a TV remote you were talking into. This house has too many remotes. Oh no, I think I have a fever, or flu, or maybe typhoid. Oh my god, what to do now? Then you better clean fast before the symptoms kick in. I need care and attention, not cleaning tools. You will get both. Clean first, complain later. Okay, I'm ready to do everything. If you make Rajma Chawal today, if you want to get this done, I want Rajma Chawal for lunch. Rajma Chawal? Okay, but no complaints, no excuses, no tantrums. Okay? Yes, ma'am. For Rajma Chawal, I'm ready to climb the Mount Everest. Here's the grocery list. What is this? A list or an encyclopedia? Don't forget 5 types of dals. Why do we need 5? Are we hosting a party? Every dal has its own purpose, just like every sock has its pair. So find yours and get ready fast. I survived. I did it. I brought everything from the market. I brought everything, even that weird thing that you asked for. The Karela pickle. Good job. See what happens when you cooperate? I aged 5 years in just one day. Finally, all the work is done. Now that all the work is done, where is my Rajma Chawal? Oh, I forgot to soak Rajma. But don't worry, we have Karela pickle. Don't you like it? This is betrayal of the highest order. You know, today wasn't all that bad. We did a lot. We make a good team. You panic, I plan. Next Sunday, we switch roles. Sure, but remember, I will supervise. Of course you will. You are the CEO of domestic operations. Get it right. So that was our great Sunday debate. Tell me in the comments who is more dramatic in your house, the husband or the wife. And if you liked the video, do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a funny moment with me. Until next time, stay happy, stay funny. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all.